Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Pro Max 16 driver. Okay, so first you have to come this site www.dell.com. After that, click support and driver and download. Then enter the model number of your system, Dell Pro Max 16. Then type premium. Okay, after that it will search. Yeah, so scroll down. There are two options. First, automatic means when you click check for update, so it will scan required driver install. But if you are facing some issues related only specific folder, so specific driver, so select the driver. Then click and categorize, and this is your system, and click to categorize. So Dell Pro Max 16, install the touchpad driver. Slow down. Camera, chipset, all driver, keyboard mouse driver also there. So in the keyboard mouse driver, this is Dell touchpad firmware. So click to download. So it is installed, it is 10 MB size. Then click on yes. After that, click to continue. And it will support when you install, and after that restart your system.